Hello class of young student. So today we are going to learn Lektion 10. Lesson 10. Der Geburtstag von Erich, the birthday of Erich. So the Monate means months. Now what we say to happy birthday, it's given here. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Happy birthday. Geburtstag is a birthday. Herzlichen Glückwunsch means heartily greeting for a birthday. Okay. Now, the leap year is called as Schaltjahr. That is just extra information for you. Heute ist der 29. Februar. Okay. So, in a leap year, 29th of February is today. Heute habe ich Geburtstag. So, today I am having a birthday. Heute means today. So he is Erich and he is celebrating his birthday. So what all things are here in the photo, students? Geburtstag, Torte or just Kuchen, cake, Kerze, candles, Geschenke, gifts, Messer means knife, Kappe, Ballone. Okay, so many things are there on his birthday. Now let's learn the Monate. The Monate in einem Jahr, the months in a year. Okay. One by one I am reading for you. Januar, January. Februar, February. März, March. April, April. Mai, May. Juni, Juli, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, December, December. Okay, so these are all the months. Now what they are telling us, ein Jahr hat 12 Monate. 1 year has 12 months. Okay, so this sentence is very important. This can come in an exam as a translation. Now let's learn the Jahreszeiten. Ein Jahr hat 4 Jahreszeiten. A year has 4 seasons. Der Winter, winter. Der Frühling, spring, when the weather is very beautiful. Der Sommer, summer. Next, der Herbst, autumn or a fall. Okay. Now, here they have given some poems. I am just gonna read it for you. Der Winter kommt, es schneit, wir gehen nicht raus, das Baby schreit, die Kinder spielen im Schnee. Zu Hause trinken wir Tee, Weihnachten feiern wir, Glückwünsche schicken dir. So they are describing the winter. So the winter comes, it snows, and we are not going out. The baby cries. The children are playing in the snow. At home, we are drinking tea, and we are celebrating the Christmas, and we are sending the greeting cards. That is the winter. Now, let's learn the Frühling poem. Herr Winter, geh hinter, der Frühling kommt bald, das Eis ist geschwommen. Die Blümlein sind kommen und grün wird der Wald. Herr Winter, geh hinter, dein Reich ist vorbei. Die Vögelein alle mit jubelndem Schale verkünden den Mai. So, this is the Frühling, spring. So, Mr. Winter, go away or go back. The the spring is coming soon. The ice is melting. The small flowers are blooming. the green, everywhere it is going to become a green now. Mr. Winter, go back, your kingdom is now over. The small birds all are, they are making, or the tree, they are making sound, and Farkunden then my. Okay, so the May is coming. Next, there's Sommer, summer. Heute ist das Wasser warm. Heute kann es nicht schaden. Schnell hinunter an den See. Heute gehen wir baden. 1, 2, 3, die Kleider aus. Schuhe, Jacke, Wäsche und dann Plumps ins Wasser rein, gerade wie die Frösche. Und der schöne Sonnenschein brennt uns nach dem Bade. Brust und Bruckel, Knusper braun, brown wie Schokolade. Okay, so this is the summer. So today the water is warm. Okay, so today we cannot, it is not going to affect us, because we are going to the lake, and then we are going to there take a bath. So 1, 2, 3, we are just removing our clothes, shoes, jacket and the clothes, and then we are just jumping in the water like a frog. And the beautiful sunshine there, it is going to make us skin brown like a chocolate. Okay, so this is the taking a zona bath, like a sun bath they are gonna take. And the last one is their herbs, the autumn. Es trippelt ums Haus, komm doch mal raus. Es klopft ans Fenster, sind es Gespenster. Es trommelt auf Dach, schau doch mal nach. Es kommt nicht herein, was mag das nur sein? So, in herbst, autumn, the weather is very bad. Okay, so somebody is knocking on your fenster, somebody is drumming on your roof. Okay, that is all, it's thundering and the raining, and then come to see. So nobody is inside. Was marks das nur sein? Then who? What do you like in this season? So not, nobody likes this season. Okay. So this was the poem. So one more important thing, students. This is all the Germany's seasons. So the Januar, the winter comes in December, January and February is your winter. Okay, then März, April and May are your Frühling. It's not like India. This is Germany's, I'm telling you. Then Juni, Juli and August are the summer. September, October and November are your months of herbst, autumn. Okay. Now here they have given some exercises which we are going to solve now. Wiederholung, repetition. Let's recall what we have learned. Übung 1, that is first exercise. Unjumbled. Here they have given the jumbled words. You have to unjumble and you have to write down the correct month spelling. Okay. Now, Übung 2, find the months of the year from the grid. So this also you can do. Just from the grid you have to find out the month's name. Next, Übung 3, fill in the blanks with the birthdays of your family. Ich habe am 15. Februar Geburtstag. So, how to write the date, students? 15th we write in German as 15th and dot. Hmm? Next, mein Vater hat am 27. Dezember Geburtstag. So, this is my father's birthday. Meine Mutter hat am 12. Juli Geburtstag. Mein Bruder hat am 1. April Geburtstag. Meine Schwester hat am 8. August Geburtstag. So this is the birth dates of my family members. You have to write your family member's birthday. Okay. Yes. So this was all our Lexion Sane, students. So I hope this lesson is clear. So we will meet now in our next video. Till then, choose.